Hi there, students. Lonesome. Okay, lonesome is an adjective. And then we have the prepositional phrase, all on my lonesome, all by my lonesome. Okay, so lonesome on its own just means lonely. Yeah? Um, So I felt very lonesome when everybody left and went on holiday. Okay, so yeah, I got this lonesome feeling. Yes, solitary, alone. Yeah, I felt lonesome and out of sorts. You can also use lonesome to mean somewhere that's very remote, that's a little bit unfriendly. The long and lonesome road. This word lonesome reminds me of a song by Laurel and Hardy. On the trail of the lonesome pine. Okay, so lonesome. Remote, unfrequented, um, or sad because you're separated from everyone else. The dog gave me a lonesome look as I went out to work. And then there's this phrase, on your lonesome or by your lonesome. I think this phrase is much more British and this is more informal as well. I did it all on my lonesome. Yeah, I did it on my own. I did it by myself. Nobody helped me. Okay, so this phrase, on your lonesome, without aid, without any aid from any help from anyone else. Okay, so yeah, on your lonesome, yeah, without anybody's help. Okay, so on my lonesome. I think this phrase is mostly British. Yeah. Everybody went on holiday and left me on my lonesome. Yeah. Uh, I think normally I did this by my lonesome or on my lonesome. Yeah. Um, I did it by my lonesome as well. I think I would prefer on my lonesome. I think it's more common, but you could use both on and by. Okay, so if somebody is lonesome, they are sad because there's nobody around. Um, I often don't sleep very well, and I wake up at some lonesome hour in the middle of the night. Um, the car broke down in a lonesome area of the country, deserted where there weren't many people. Yeah, I ate my food all on my lonesome, alone. Okay, so lonesome, um, desolate, lonely, forlorn. Yeah, um, without a companion, and then empty of people, deserted, desolate, God forsaken. Yeah, in the back of beyond, some lonesome place off the beaten path, very solitary. So you can feel lonesome, to be lonesome. Yeah, a lonesome figure walked towards me. Yeah, um, and yeah, to do something on your lonesome. Yeah, you can do this on your lonesome. You don't need any help. I trust you completely. Okay, so formality. The lonesome pine, a lonesome place. 5.5 informality, use anywhere. I did it on my lonesome. I was left on my lonesome. This, I think, is much more informal. I think I would give this 3.5 informality. Use in an informal conversation, maybe just in a semi-formal conversation, but no more. And then, as to origin, well, this clearly comes from alone. Yeah. Um, okay, so yeah, alone, where there is nobody about. Um, let's see. This is a contraction of an old English phrase, il an, entirely alone, solitary, ill and all alone. Yeah, alone. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lonesome. On one's lonesome. By my lonesome.